Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Facebook ads for properties with Meta Ads Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Meta Ads Manager by navigating to business.facebook.com. Log in with your Facebook credentials if prompted. Once in Ads Manager, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your property marketing goals. For property ads, consider objectives like traffic or lead generation. Name your campaign appropriately to reflect its purpose. Set your budget for the campaign based on your advertising strategy. Choose whether to run your ads continuously or schedule them for specific dates. Click Next to proceed to the ad set level. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Use detailed targeting options to focus on users likely interested in real estate. Set your ad placement preferences, either automatic or manual. For property ads, consider placements on Facebook and Instagram feeds. Decide on your budget and schedule for the ad set. Click Next to move to the ad creation stage. Select the format of your ad, such as single image, carousel, or video. Upload high-quality images or videos showcasing the property. Write engaging ad copy that highlights key features and benefits of the property. Include a strong call to action, prompting viewers to take the next step. Add a link to your website or landing page for lead capture. Use the URL builder to track clicks and conversions easily. Once you have reviewed your ad, click Publish to launch the campaign. Monitor the performance in Ads Manager after your ads go live. Make adjustments to targeting, budget, or creatives based on performance insights. Utilize A/B testing to optimize different ad elements. Review analytics to measure success and refine future campaigns accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.